No, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. What's your name, sir?
My name is Marzouk Obeid, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Who is that?
Marzouk Obeid, last name Obeid.
O-B-D-I-E?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm having nothing but problems here.
Deion Graham.
Mr. Brown.
Graham.
Leon Graham, good morning to you. All right, I have Gullion, Gregory, Grimsley, Lawrence, Obeid, Green, Lyons, and Graham in that order. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We can get going.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit. First, Anthony Lee Gullen. Case number U62926-122. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis
Yes.
Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gullion. State your full name, Mr. Gullion.
Yes, my name is Anthony Lee Guillen.
Ken,
Yes, sir.
okay, coming to you. Good morning. Oh, you come a long way, huh? Let's
Yes,
see.
sir.
All right, so you come all the way to Detroit and get this allegation. This is something that I don't particularly like. Let's do the today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Mr. Guillen, I'm going to offer you a disorderly conduct plea as charged, give you a 6-month delayed sentence and $240 fine. You can plead that, not get any more trouble like this again, and we'll dismiss the case. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. If you want to speak to Mr. Berry, you certainly can do so to help you make an informed decision. What would you like to do?
I think I would like to just move forward with that plea, sir. This was a lapse of judgment in mine, not as completely out of character for me. So I don't see it being an issue to get this resolved with what you've offered, sir.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine? Strike that, strike that. This offense, maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand that, sir?
I understand that, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Correct. Now, if I just want to make sure I'm clear, with the fine and no other issues, it is a deferred and will come off. That's the way I believe it, sir.
Yes, it will. It will
Okay.
come off your record.
That's acceptable to me, Your Honor.
All right, you understand that if I take this offer, you can give up that trial right, correct?
I understand that, sir.
You understand, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
So let me draw your attention back to March the 17th, 2022, at around 1:50 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Randolph and Congress Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
On that date, sir, let's just call it, did you relieve yourself in public on that day, sir?
Yes, sir. It was a poor decision again, out of character for myself. Was not quite frankly, had too much to drink and made a poor.
Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied. I'm gonna find you guilty of, as charged of disorderly conduct. What I'm gonna do as far as sentencing, sir, since you accepted full responsibility for that, and I believe that you are honestly contrite about that, I'm gonna offer you to allow you to pay the $240, and we'll dismiss that upon payment.
Okay. I appreciate that, Your Honor.
All right, so $240 dismissed upon payment. When can you pay, sir?
I can pay today if need be.
Let me ask you this, are you still in the city of Detroit?
No, sir. I was just there for that days.
Did you have a good time?
I enjoyed
Obviously, obviously you had a good time. I mean, that was a silly question, right?
Yes, Your Honor. It was the city of Detroit treated me very well, even during this unfortunate incident.
Very, very well. So next time when you come back, sir, as well as the city of Detroit treated you, treat the city of Detroit that well as well, all right?
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, very good. I'm gonna give you a week to get this payment in. You can pay it. I'm told that you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. That's DIVDAT. That would be the best way to pay that. I'm told you can upload it to your phone, or if you have somebody here that they can make that payment for you, that would be good as well. Those are the two best ways that I know that those payments will go through instantly. I'm setting a review date for November the 11th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m., sir. I need to have that payment in here by then we can close the matter out. So you'll be back tomorrow, next week at 8:25 a.m. and we can close the matter out and put it behind us, all right?
What was the date on that again, sir? Sorry.
November the 11th, 2022.
The 11th, 2022. Okay.
At 8:25, that's when your review date is. If it's paid in the system, you don't have to show back up. However, if it's not paid, sir, I need to see you, all right?
Understood.
Hey, Pauline, how are you?
And that website was DI?
DIVDAT, DivDat.
DIVAT.
DIVDAT.
DAT. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I'll get that taken care of.
DIVDAT.
I'll get that taken care of today, sir.
All right, very well. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit.
Yes.
First, Kevin Maurice Gregory, case number SP 11702211. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gregory. State your full name, Mr. Gregory.
Kevin Maurice Gregory.
Your Honor, I'm the attorney for Mr.
Are we both in here, Pauline?
All right, we're gonna have to be quiet.
Oh,
Mr. Warbling, we hear all your conversation. Okay, Counselor, go ahead. Put your appearance on the record, please.
good morning, Your Honor. Nargiz Nasimova appearing on behalf of Kevin Maurice Gregory.
P number, please.
P number 78876.
All right, does Mr. Gregory have a valid driver's license, or do you know?
Your Honor, he had a scheduled driving test this week and it was adjourned due to heavy fog. It was rescheduled for this Sunday, and I did receive a confirmation from him that it was rescheduled to this Sunday.
I would
I'm
think that you probably want to see how he drives in heavy fog. Those are the conditions that he may have to drive under at some point. Why would they do that?
right, but the company rescheduled it. It wasn't his choice or his request.
Okay, what I have here is I have a valid driver's license. So at this point, Counselor, I'm gonna dismiss the case, all right?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I couldn't hear you, got cut off.
I have a valid driver's license for your client. So at this point, I'm gonna dismiss the case, all right? Is this Kevin Maurice Gregory III?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, so obviously he's got some kind of driving permit.
He does have a permit, correct?
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
All right, have a great day. Good luck to you and the client.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You as well. Mr. Wardling. Is Terry Renee Lee here? All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eric Grimsley, case number U38244817. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Grimsley. State your full name, sir.
Eric Austin Grimsley.
All right, let's also call into the record SP1218854, counts 1 and counts 3. Mr. Grimsley, Mr. Barry, this is arraignment on the bench warrant.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. And it appears that this has something to do with payment. If I'm not mistaken.
Your Honor, the last time I went to court, I had a $200 and some bond, and I thought by me posting that bond was paying for my payment.
In 2017 case, Counselor. It was adjudicated on 9/20/2021. $402 fine.
Yes, sir.
I didn't give you a $402 fine.
No, it wasn't a $402 bond. It was a 200 and
It's almost 300. I don't
I
know.
think it was like almost a $300 bond, Your Honor.
It's 2 something that I paid. Is it the day before that too?
I gave you a delayed sentence of 200. It was $240 fine plus a $45 reinstatement fee. Seems like he's gotten 2 bonds forfeited.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please, sir?
I said, I gave you a $240 fine. I told you it was gonna be a delayed sentence in 3 months and it was a $45 reinstatement fee on there. It seems like you got 2 bonds that were forfeited during the pendency of this case on $400 total.
Yes, I did.
Okay, yes, I paid the two bonds.
Look at that. Coming out the printer. Two bonds were forfeited.
He had a bond forfeited in 2/16, with the cash.
2/16 this year.
Yes, February 16, 2022. Bond at that forfeit.
Another bond was forfeited as well.
Forfeited in January 6.
Bond.
He didn't give the money to. I had to.
Trying to run this line down.
Huh? No, I'm trying to sign in the court.
You're in court, you're in court, sir.
Got my
You're in
hand
court,
raised
sir.
and everything. These motherfuckers still ain't saying nothing.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you're in court. What's your name, please?
Tobias Glass.
All right, good morning to you.
Partial payment. Well, here it is. Right here.
Both of them were forfeited, so we're just gonna close this out. And we'll dismiss the case.
You talking to me, Yarn?
No, no, sir.
Mr. Glasser, can you mute your device? Also, Mr. Green Jr., can you mute yours as well for the record?
Let's, this is for Grimsley, Eric Austin Grimsley.
Yes, sir. I'm still here.
We're gonna close this matter out. He also has, civil infractions and a misdemeanor case that are open. We're gonna close the, U case out. SP 11352001. It's a no ops ticket. Why isn't that coming up here? Did you change your name or something, sir?
No, sir. My name's always been Eric Austin Grimsley.
Okay, so maybe that's, maybe that one. All right.
I've had a few encounters with my cousin, also getting my
Let's be
last
quiet,
name and his
What's
stuff
his name?
that appears
Grimsley,
on mine.
Grimsley, be
What's
quiet.
his name? I just want to know his name. I think when I pull this stuff up and I'm trying to make sure I get their driver's license number, if it's close, if it's right next to the other person, then it pulls up that person's number. So that's a problem with this computer. So
Okay.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this matter out and dismiss forfeited $200 bond. All right, if it's nothing further, sir, we're gonna close it out, dismiss the case, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Good luck to you.
You too, sir. Have a great weekend. Thank you.
All right, Lawrence? Is this your-
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Lisa Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus, no, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Shaquita Catrice Lawrence. Case number SX 363-0037. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Over, that's
Yes.
Barry Junior on behalf of Ms. Lawrence. State your full name, Ms. Lawrence.
Shanika Catrice Lawrence.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Shaniqua Catrice Lawrence, I'm sorry to mispronounce your name. man.
That's okay.
All right, as purpose of arraignment, we'll recall the warrants who enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. And we'll give her a $0 bond. This is a state case, counselor, I don't know. This was a state police incident, goes back to 2019. What do you want to do for your client? Do you want to set a trial date? I'll allow your client, do you have a valid driver's license now?
Not at this time. I'm trying to get it back.
So, well, do you have anything else in any other jurisdictions that is keeping you from getting a license?
Farmington Hills, but I've been paying on them. I just found out about Detroit about a month ago. I completely forgot about it. That incident I was trying to get to my mother. She had fell down the
All right, I
stairs.
don't need you to talk about the incident, ma'am.
Okay.
You got an absolute right to remain silent. I suggest, and I'm sure your counsel will suggest that you keep that. All I'm asking is, I'm gonna set aside the default. Well, I shouldn't even set aside the default because that's the wrong way. And it's probably 3 years past and let's dismiss that. But nevertheless, it appears that you're qualified for a license here. This should not be holding a license up. I can set a trial date on December 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Get these matters cleared up that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. I will set aside the default.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Just a clarification, Judge, what does that mean for me?
So you had this case and you haven't taken care of it. So the misdemeanors you have to come to court for. The civil infractions you can pay. But I'm gonna allow you to set aside the default on those so that you can be heard and you can potentially clear all this stuff up on December 20th, 2022. In the meantime, I would suggest you go get a valid driver's license, ma'am. That would go a long way. If the state prosecutor and the state police show up, if they show up, then that'll go a long way to convince them that that they should give you a better deal if you got a valid license. If they don't show up, we'll just dismiss the cases.
Okay, and you said December
The 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
and I come inside for that. Am I correct?
Well, you can either come inside if you like, or you can do it on Zoom, whatever you like, whatever's most convenient for you.
Well, Zoom will be definitely convenient. As of right now, I'm not driving at all.
Very well, ma'am. I'm gonna find good cause to allow your client to appear on Zoom as she does not have transportation, all right? If there's nothing further, we'll see you back on Zoom December 12th, 2022.
December 12th at 9 o'clock.
No, strike
Okay,
that, December 20th, 2022.
the 20th. Okay. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You do too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marzouk Abdullah Obey, case number B50150822. B50151222. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of Mr. Obed. State your full name, sir.
Marzouk Abdullah Obaid.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Goss. Mr. Goss, are you there? I don't know what Mr. Goss is gonna offer on this type of ticket here. He may want to he may set a trial date and discuss the matter with the city attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. It's a matter of our business license. We had an issue with the gentleman that ran into our dumpster enclosure and tore up the whole dumpster enclosure. So the inspector came, so we had to get it done. But it took us almost like 7 to 8 months to get the record from the police department so we can show our insurance.
Listen, sir, listen. It's got more to do than just your business license. That's one ticket. It's got something to do. It's got something to do with selling these cigarettes too. So, that's the other ticket. Let's just give him a trial date. If Mr. Goss is not on here to give him an offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
And then you can give that offer, that'll give you time to get your business license taken care of and everything. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the lawyer and speak to the lawyer, all right?
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I got,
Yeah, I wasn't aware anything about the cigarettes or anything like that. I didn't.
he'll make you aware of it. All right, it's one, Mr. Berry,
Yes.
one count. Now, I don't know if even the ordinance number is correct, but it shall be unlawful to operate any self-service without obtaining a license. So, and then it shall be unlawful to sell, furnish directly or indirectly cigarette or the components without a license. So I don't know. That's what the actual remarks on the ticket are. They do have some code numbers. One is 11-2-1. The other one is 18-1-122. All right. He's in the breakout room. Go join the room, sir. There's Mr. Goss. Trooper is here. Good morning, Trooper. Perkins is here. Good morning, Officer Perkins. Good morning, Officer Corporal McCree. Mr. Warbling.
Good morning.
Mr. Obey, join the breakout room, please.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Warbling, Grigsby, I'm sorry. Is Grigsby here? All right, well.
Did the court start already?
Yes, it started, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Sorry about that.
All right, Mr. Wesley Junior, do you have a valid driver's license, sir? Kevin Green,
Yes.
do you have a valid driver's license?
No, not at the time, no.
Do you have one now?
I said no, Your Honor.
What about getting the driver's license? How far are you away? Are you trying to get one?
I'm waiting. I have another week to wait to go back and take my road test.
Run his driver's license, please. You have a business license chicken. Breakout room for Mr. I need to knock on that. That's Mr. Borland.
Ready on Mr. Obid, Your Honor.
So that's his client. So. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Obey. Sir, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Mr. Goss, you want to take a look at that? You want to get them off?
Do he have the business license?
I don't know.
What's the question? Yes,
Does he have the business license?
not as yet. He's 2 weeks away. We'd like a trial.
Trial date. This trial date's gonna be December 20th, 2022. December 20th.
We give him a little more time to make sure he gets, because I know they're slow giving up the business license.
So he said he's 2 weeks away.
I just don't want to have to adjourn it again because they still wait.
How much more time you want to get?
Get some time in January.
All right, trial date's gonna be January 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m. That should be plenty of time for you to get that license, sir.
Who again, Your Honor? Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Mr. Obey. Oh, he's still in the breakout room. Talking to myself. All right, you have these all in the room. All right, Mr. Obey.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room.
I just spoke to him, Your Honor.
I know that, sir. I'm giving.
Oh,
I'm giving you-
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And counsel indicated that you wanted a trial date set.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you a trial date of December the 5th.
The food is on the table.
December the 5th?
2020, no, strike that. January the 5th, 2022, 2023. January the 5th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Zoom, so Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. At that date, I should have all my paperwork ready, Your Honor. It's just a matter of just getting the license back. It was.
It's enough,
All right.
Mr. Obid.
Very well, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Kevin Wesley Green Jr., case number SP 122-99621. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Green. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Kevin Wesley Green, Jr.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, and enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. At this time, I spoke with your client about his driver's license. He says he's a couple of weeks away. I'm gonna give him the opportunity to get that valid driver's license. I'm gonna give him till December 19th.
Put the fool on the boat.
Give him December 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Any further questions, sir?
No.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you. Have a great day. December 19th.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
8:30, it's gonna be a free trial.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Charles Lyons. Is he there? Mr. Charles Lyons. All right, we'll move on. Mr. Lyons called in on the phone. Press the *6 to unmute yourself, sir. *6.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Charles Dwayne Lyons, case number SP 133-9006, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lyons. State your full name, Mr. Lyons.
First name is Charles, middle name is Dwayne, last name is Lyons with a Y.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, and are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna ask your client, do you have a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance, sir? That's yes or no.
Yeah, currently I have a registration and everything, but my license was supposed to be mailed through the mail. I just got to do my vision. That's all.
Run his driver's
I don't have a suspended license or anything. My birthday just passed, so that's all. So the answer to your question will be no.
That's enough, Mr. Lyons. Just a moment.
Well, all of that said, he said that he's got his registration and stuff and everything, and his license is good, and then he says, no, it's not.
Yeah, that's correct, because I have to just take my vision test so they can just renew my license, that's all. I don't have no suspensions or nothing. I just got to renew my license. My birthday passed, that's all.
Please don't keep talking, sir.
Okay, I mean, it's hard for me to hear, that's all.
What makes you think it's not?
But you hear always less is more. Gaines, you got a formal hearing set.
She didn't Zoom and talk to the judge.
And this is a formal hearing.
So she can come to the.
Show cause. And who is the officer? Ms. Gaines. Okay, the officer's in the breakout room. We'll wait on an offer. And once we get that offer, then okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. He has no valid license. I'll give your client an opportunity to
Please, everyone, mute your devices.
They might want to call a doctor. There's no valid, and I'll give him an opportunity to bring valid driver's license, registration, and insurance. If he doesn't do that, we can set a trial date, or he can take the offer of failure to display, $240 fine, and that'll be additional 30-day suspension, and we'll dismiss the other 2 counts. You can speak to
Okay.
Mr. Worthing. You can speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room regarding the offer, sir, if you choose to.
Okay, when can I pay it?
Speak to the lawyer in the breakout room. Pay it today if you want to pay. Join the room, please. Leon Brown. What's your date of birth, sir?
5681.
What do you need to get undone?
After you leave here, you need to go see Judge Bryant. I can give you the information.
Okay.
Hello.
What is your name?
Miss
What?
Lee,
Lee. What's going on? What are we back for?
well, they said, I got this little notice that said come back for review.
Wanna
And
go off
then,
the record, Your
You
Honor.
didn't pay.
I got the money though, but they said I can set up for an installment, because they stolen my
Go
money.
downstairs.
I did already, I filled out the paperwork, they told me to come up here.
Hold on.
Go downstairs.
Go back downstairs?
Yeah, I mean, they said if you
They
want.
called the
No,
girl.
she did. Excuse me. Just go home. Got some phone with another thing.
She said, come up.
Just go home. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Judge, she wants to get on a payment,
Okay.
but you have to authorize the payment. You have to say it's okay for her.
It's okay for her to go on payment
So,
plan.
okay.
Yes.
She can
Here,
leave.
payment plan.
Taylor, you can go back downstairs to the,
Yes, ma'am.
all right? You have
All
a
right, God bless,
wonderful,
thank you.
have a
Have a
wonderful
great
day.
day.
You have a great day too.
All right now.
Payment plan. Is she coming back or? I don't know.
No.
Mr. Graham, you got a phone number to the court is 313-965-2295. The Zoom ID is 360-339-0000. So you need to contact them once you leave here.
Okay.
We're back on. Do we have a lawyer back?
No, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Charles Dwayne Lyons with the Y. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea to failure to display.
Let me understand this, Mr. Lyons. Are you there, Mr. Lyons?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. You indicated to me that the only reason you don't have a valid driver's license is because you need to renew your license because of your birthday just passing, correct?
Yes, it passed actually about last year, but yes, that's correct.
Oh, last year. Okay, but nevertheless, it appears that he's able to get a license. His license was canceled on 2/7/2022. It appears that he's eligible to get a license. You want to plead guilty to and pay $240 to something that's going to suspend your license for an additional 30 days?
I'm not driving at the moment, so it's okay, Your Honor.
So do you have $240 today?
Oh, my goodness. Yes, I can get down there today. I was trying to let you give me to the 3rd of the month because I just paid all my rent and stuff.
Well, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give you an opportunity to go get a valid driver's license and come back in here and show us. If all you need to do is go to the Secretary of State, you may be able to save yourself some money or an additional suspension. And by getting a valid driver's license, insurance and registration. But if you're not driving, that means you probably don't have a vehicle, correct?
I'm here. I couldn't hear the last part. That's all, Your Honor.
I said, I'm trying to allow you some time to get a valid driver's license, sir. Do you want to do that, or do you want to just pay the money?
I'd rather just come pay the money.
All right. All right. Can you raise your right hand, sir?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Mr. Lyons,
Yes, I can hear you now.
do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I said I was going to do about the $240 fine?
No.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to, I don't even have actual ticket in this file here, Counselor. Listen, I'm going to set a trial date for him. Just doesn't make any sense. I'm going to set a trial date for December the 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m. Come down in person. Come down to the courthouse on December 20th, sir. Can you get down here on December 20th?
Yes, I can.
At 9 a.m. We'll set a
At
trial
9 a.m.?
Yes,
That's at room 434?
exactly. December 20th, 9 a.m. in-person trial.
Okay, fine.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice weekend.
This is the city of Detroit versus Leon Graham, case number Z7827431. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Graham. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
Leon Graham.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm entering a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. And at this point, this case was back in 2007. He forfeited a $500 bond. I don't know if he's done this stuff or not.
Well,
All right.
set this matter for trial, Your Honor.
It's not a trial. He's already pled guilty.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah, he pled guilty back in November the 8th, almost, what would that be, 15 years ago? I'm gonna close the matter out.
yes. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. You still got that issue over there in Judge Bryant's courtroom. I called him now.
What?
Warrant out for your arrest. I can give you a case number if you choose, if you want me to.
What's the warrant for?
Gambling.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
You remember that, huh?
Yeah.
02-059-59601. Same thing that they said that Takeoff got killed by a multi-millionaire. Allegedly somebody's gambling.
Yes, sir.
Gambling.
It was casino.
What?
We need to call a code for the troopers.
All right.
And what's going on with being, he never gave the breakout.
I'll put him in the breakout. He never asked. I called his name a couple times. I don't.
But you know what, you don't even have to, if anything, you don't need to take the class first. Careless, limited access, failure to stop. All right. So, yeah. All right.
All right, you need to call APA phone. Right.
Want me to call?
I'll get her, I'm gonna send her a message.
The truth. I need to-
Oh, okay. Let me make it
Thank you.
I mean, that's our account. It's two actually.
I'm off Monday anyway, so I gotta figure out how that's gonna work out.
Oh, okay. Because they wanted to know that y'all want to adjourn them because of election day. Okay.
I'm with it.
Who wants to know?
Well, back in management, about the Jacob Charles, they said he was election. Y'all still, he just wanted to know back.
Why did they give us the date?
They probably didn't look.
All right, let's move on. Jaquez Martel Gaines. All right, Gaines.
Yeah, that's me. I'm here.
That's a matter that's show cause for one.
Yeah, I missed the last.
Hold on a second, sir.
Yeah.
Graham, you're free to leave.
Yes, I'm trying to hang up now. You have a good evening.
All right.
You too.
Let's see. Gaines. All right. And then these other matters are in default.
Yeah, one is 130, one is 135.
And then the officer is here. Are these matters, the officer that wrote him the ticket is here?
For who?
All right, that's good.
They're in default. This is the city of Detroit versus Jaquez Martel Gaines. Case number is SP 1324255, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1324258-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gaines. State your full name, Mr. Gaines.
Jacques Gaines.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. And find out what your client wants to do. I'll set aside the defaults in SP 1324255 counts 1, 2, and 3. He has an absolute right to a trial, and he also has. We can also get him an offer if he chooses to. The improper plate, $240. Will dismiss the rest of the tickets. Will dismiss the improper plate upon payment. Do you have registration and insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Oh, we got that vehicle no more. And I had my proof that I did get the insurance and all that stuff together.
Let me ask you this, sir. Do you have a vehicle now?
Yeah, I got a vehicle right now.
Do you have registration and insurance for that vehicle now?
That vehicle not up though. I had 2 vehicles. I kept a vehicle, but that vehicle not up. I ain't driving right now.
Okay, so, I mean, do you have the old registration and insurance for the old vehicle to prove it that you had it or not?
I got the police report that he told me that I had that I had to have the proof that I got that I had the insurance and stuff for it at that time.
Do you have the proof that you had insurance at that time?
Yes, I got proof. Yes, I got proof, but I ain't got it on. I just moved location.
All right, hold on a second. Wait a minute. What's all that noise?
So I just brought it in. So you want to wait or you want to drop it off? What car is it?
That's somebody else.
All right, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry and see if you guys can figure it out. Improper plates, Mr. Berry, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment.
Okay.
Is Tiffany here? Tiffany was here. Good morning, APA Cole.
Good morning.
Tiffany's not here anymore. We have some officers in the breakout room that have a case. Are there any other officers that haven't joined the breakout room?
Yeah, Officer Roby.
Is that Micah's iPhone?
Yes, sir.
All right. And who's your defendant?
Lori Love.
Lori Love. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room.
Okay.
Any other officers? All right, time is about to run out for officers.
Hello?
Hello. All right, Ms. Lindsay. Felicia Lindsay.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am. Have you obtained the necessary licenses that they allege that you don't have?
Yes, I had it. I had it that day. I just didn't have it on me. It was in my car. But yes, I have it. Yes, I have it.
All right, can you make sure you have that ready to go, please?
I got it right here, sir.
All right. Ms. Lloyd, LaShonda Lloyd.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your offer's gonna be blocking traffic, $175. We'll dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. That's a 0-point offense that does not abstract to the Secretary of State. I call it akin to an expensive parking ticket, ma'am. You have an absolute right to a trial, and if you can let us know when we put that on the record, whether you want to take that deal or not. Yeah.
You say I have a parking ticket.
No, I said that it's akin, let me start over one more time. You're being charged with failure to stop at a stop sign and a no insurance misdemeanor. I said, I will offer you a blocking traffic that is akin to an expensive parking ticket. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. It does not carry any points. It's a $175 fine, and we'll dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. You keep in mind that you have an absolute right to a trial if you want to contest the matter.
No, I'll pay the 175.
All right, we'll put that on the record when we call your name, all right?
All right, thank you.
When can you pay that 175?
Friday.
C Fields, does C Fields ever show up? Chris L. Christopher Lott.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Sam. All right, Mr. Is that Mr. Berry coming in?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready on Mr. Gaines, I believe. My docket shows this is a show cause hearing He's
All right, let's
going
go back
to,
on the record with Mr. Gaines. It is a show cause, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client in the breakout room. It is a show cause. Let's see, but it hasn't been adjudicated yet.
yeah.
So, and he got the offer of the improper plate.
Yeah.
And I'll dismiss upon $240 payment, or he can set a trial date.
Trial date, Your Honor, bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gaines?
Yes.
All right, I'm setting aside the defaults on
Take this day.
S1224255, counts 1, 2, and 3. And I'm setting the bench trial date for December 20th. December 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Could you repeat that, sir?
December 20th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, you too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Felicia Marie Lindsay. Case number U6338422. Appearance for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lindsay.
Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez. Don't
Yes,
interrupt
sir.
me again, sir.
I haven't said nothing.
No, Dan Lopez.
Oh,
Let's see, put your appearance on the record for Miss Lindsay, BU6338422. City of Detroit.
Defense counsel, Your Honor.
Yes, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Miss Lindsay, can you put your, state your name for the record, please? You have to unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Can you state your name for the record, Miss Lindsay?
Oh, shit. Valisa Marie Lindsay.
All right, let's see the card that you say you have, please.
Okay. Let me try to go out here where it's lighter so you can see. You want to see the card, so I need to.
All right,
Can you
now
see
have
it?
to hold it up and you have to take your finger from in front of it so I can read it, please.
Okay. Jeez, let me down. Can you see it?
Yeah, I need to zoom in close on it. So issue date 3/16/2021, that ticket was written on 2/5/2022. How long are those licenses good for?
A year.
Let's see what the other one says.
2022.
3/16/2021. You got both of the licenses on the same day.
That's the date that they issued them on. They all three of them, the date is all three of them has the same issue date, but it's the expiration date is 22. It expires on my birthday.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna. When is your birthday?
May 19th.
Of 2022.
Yeah, you got
May 19th. All right. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
All
Your
right.
Honor, I'm sorry. Could I go into a breakout room with Officer Page separately from the other officers, please?
Certainly.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of, I haven't gotten a response on that. This is the city of Detroit versus LaShonda Lene Lloyd, case number SP 133-69911 and SP 133-69921. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lloyd. State your full name, Ms. Lloyd.
LaShonda Lene Lloyd.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Ms. Lloyd, I've been offered a blocking traffic in as an amended count to this failure to stop. That failure to stop is a 3-point offense. I told her I dismissed the no insurance, and she indicated to the court that she would take that offer. Is that correct, Ms. Lloyd?
Yes.
All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And will your client stipulate to probable cause, or will you stipulate on behalf of your client to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss SP 133-69921. I'm going to give your client 2 weeks to pay. That's 11/18/2022. You can pay that at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, ma'am, or you can pay that online. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day.
You too. Thank you.
Oh, no, strike that. Don't pay that online. Pay that in person, or pay that at the div deck. To pay that online, it'll take so long to get the payment to get here, and it may suspend your license. So pay that at the div deck kiosk, or pay that in person. And I see you got to get us that mail, so we don't need you to have a suspended license.
No, you talk about the kiosks that be at the grocery stores, right?
Right. You weren't in the mail truck when you ran the the stop sign, were you?
No, I had just left the hospital from having my baby.
Oh, congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Well,
That's even worse. Her baby in the car. She
didn't say her baby was in the
She
car.
said she just left the hospital.
But she didn't say her baby was in the car.
She wasn't.
Okay.
You see, that's how you assumed that up.
That's what she said.
No, yes, she did say, she exactly did say, I left the hospital from just having my baby, but she did not say her baby was in the car. Right? And it comes to find out her baby was not in the car. But you did run the stop sign though, right?
Yeah, I didn't see it. Y'all have a good day.
On license, decrees willing to let her get her car.
All right, what about law? She's got, I've been asking you, is Eric Fields in the room?
No.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Kenya Patrice Golf. Case numbers SP 1159751, SP 1159752.
Pero they're not going through my shit right now.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Let me say this. Mr. Lopez.
Yes.
Mr. Lopez, I told you to not interrupt my court again. That is about the 5th time you've done it. I'm gonna put you out the room next time.
All right, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. You're just talking to me.
Just keep your device muted, Mr. Lopez. Don't unmute unless the judge calls your case.
All right. Appearance for the record, please, for Ms. Gold.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Go. Could you state your full name, young lady?
She's working. Ms. Kenya Go.
Unmute.
Kenya Golf.
Kenya Golf. Good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name? Oh, you already did. Today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, believing no officer has appeared, respectfully, we seek dismissal of these matters.
All right, case is gonna be dismissed. No officer. There's nothing further, Ms. Claude. Have a very good day and good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great afternoon and morning.
Thank you.
On Lori Love. Austin Roby. We did discuss them.
That's a whole lot of tickets.
Most of us will show. Only Creek and Roby show.
Is this?
No, this is.
All right, let's go with Lot. This is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Stephen Lott. Case numbers SB 124-55751, SB 124-88361, SB 127-7955, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lott. State your full name, Mr. Lott.
Christopher Stephen Lott II.
Your Honor.
Go ahead. The date is the date and time set for a trial on the matter. What about the officer Turner is not here? Let's see. All right. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Turner? Officer Turner. And it appears that all of these tickets, I don't know about this other officer here, because it doesn't have an officer on there. And let's see if this officer, Limas. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial and formal hearing on the matters.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer on all matters. If there's nothing further, Mr. Locke, have a very good day.
I did have one question.
What's your question?
It should be a ticket on there that's saying I was disrupting an officer.
That ticket is going to be dismissed.
Since that is being dismissed, I would like to know what's going to be done about that officer and the incident that I was involved in.
I don't know what's going to be done with that. If you have a problem with that, then you have to file you have to file some kind of complaint against them or something.
I filed a complaint about that incident 3 times now, and nothing has been done.
All right. Well, I don't know if anything is going to be done, but that's it. You've done the right thing. You just continue to follow that up with the police department. I have no. First of all, I can't even question if the officer didn't show. Secondly, I don't have any jurisdiction to do anything with that. The complaints are when you've done the right thing, you've done your job in doing that. I would suggest you continue to follow up with that and see where it goes. But I'll tell you this, a lot of times people don't think anything happens with those things, and it may not happen in your instance. But by you following up and doing what you're supposed to do, that's gonna go in that officer's record. And if those complaints continue to pile up on that officer, then you may be saving somebody else for something. But I know that you're looking for justice, that you feel you've been wrong, and I apologize for that, but it's not.
Yeah, I could have died in this incident, pretty much.
Yeah, it's nothing I can do, sir.
I appreciate you for your time and answering my questions too.
All right, very well, sir. Good luck to you. Have a great day, and I wish you the best of luck on your quest for justice on that.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Okay. Loman, are you here? Terrence Loman?
Yes, yes, sir.
He's here. We got a lot of people that are showing up and a lot of trials here. So we're gonna get to everybody. I'm gonna do another trooper. What's your who's your defendant? Good morning to you. He is good. All right, let's go with Love. We have Love. First, Love. Lori, Love.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Sounds like this dog is what the biggest issue is. This is the city of Detroit versus Lori Denise Love, case numbers B 1243141, B 1243151, B 1243161, B 1243171, B 1244, strike that. B 124319211, B 124431821, SP 1236937, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 123703001, SP 1271745, counts 1 and counts 2. U 6032081, V 1221071, B 1221081, B 1221091, B 1221131, and 204939441. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Love. State your full name, Ms. Love.
Lori Denise Love.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Let's go through the cases that have no officer.
And Judge, when you're finished with that, excuse me for interrupting the court, could I have a breakout room with Attorney Berry? When you're finished doing the no officer role.
All right, Mr. Corporal McCree, can you put your appearance on the record, please, for Miss Lori Love?
Yes, Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
Good morning, Corporal McCree.
Good morning.
Chris. Okay. That's SP 136937. All right, and then who else showed up? Officer Roby appeared and doesn't have a recollection. As it relates to you, 603-20821, I'm told that Officer Roby appeared, but has no recollection. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. We respectfully move to dismiss the matter based on
I'm
the,
gonna grant that motion to dismiss based on no recollection by the officer. What about any of these V tickets? Did anybody appear? I just. All right, is there an officer? Clark, yes. I thought I saw a Clark here. Is there an Officer Clark? Lemire Clark? Oh, I don't see an Officer Clark now.
Trooper Trefallion is here on the Little case, and I sent an email with an offer to Attorney Berry, Levante Little, on a no ops license.
All right, this is Lori Love. Let's see. All right, they sure did say this dog is being how many dogs do you have, ma'am?
I don't have any, no. I had one dog at the time.
They sure did say that this dog was creating a big time nuisance, biting people and stuff like that, but nobody showed up. So I don't know whether it's true or not. So you want to make a motion on all of these V tickets, Counselor, V1242. Let's go through the tickets. Yeah, V122107. 21, B12210821, B12210921, and B12211321. I have those all written by Lemire Clark, Control Officer, Animal Control Officer of the City of Detroit. Let me see if these other ones are written by him as well. I don't have any other tickets here to go by. So you want to make a motion on these tickets, Counselor?
yes, Your Honor. Our motion would be for dismissal of these matters.
All right, that's and then B12431421, B12431521, 621 and 721. B124319211, B124431821. That will also be dismissed, no officer. All right, as for the other tickets, Mr. Corporal McCree is here. I was told that on the one of the tickets, Officer Roby. All right, there's a Officer Anton. Is there an Anton? Hearing no response, having not seen that person in the room. That is 204-939-441. That ticket will be dismissed, no officer. And then we have SP 127. Well, that's SP 127 1745. Counts 1 and counts 2. Is there Officer Amanda Hudgens? No officer. So I'm going to dismiss those, no officer. And last but not least, we have Corporal McCree's tickets, SP 1236937, counts 1, 2, and 3. And that also will include SP 1237031. I'm told that you're going to allow Miss Love to get a valid driver's license. Is that correct, Mr. Corporal McCree?
Yes, that is correct.
All right, I can see one thing, Ms. Love, if you're going to try to get this valid driver's license, you're going to owe a reinstatement fee for SP 1230301. What I will allow you to do is I will allow you to pay that reinstatement fee up front. And we'll set another court date for those tickets. Do you want to do that, ma'am?
Yes, can I pay it online?
No, you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and pay that.
Okay.
You're gonna have to let the clerk know that my Miss Mathis is gonna put that in the special just for you, Miss Love. And you're gonna have to pay that. You'll wait 48 to 72 hours from the time you pay that to let that clearance get to the court. I would suggest you come up to the courtroom and show Miss Mathis the receipt so we can send a note to the abstract clerk as well. And that way you wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State for a license.
How much is that reinstatement?
Pardon me?
How much is the reinstatement fee?
$45.
Can I come down there today and pay it?
Certainly, certainly. That's ticket number SP 1237031.
SP 123-70301.
Yes.
And come up to which courtroom?
434.
434.
After you pay it.
Okay. Okay.
All right, I'm going to set a pre-trial date for December the 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. You have a very good day. And hopefully you can get that paid soon and get that driver's license reinstated.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Corporal McCree. I can go now?
You're free to leave.
Thank
All
you.
right,
Have a great week.
Free. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Be safe out there.
Thank you.
All right, I had Gaston. That is one, Glaster. Tobias Glaster. Mr. Glaster, are you there? Glaston? I wrote it Glaston, but it's Glaster. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear it? Can you hear us? Can you put your
Yeah, I
video
can hear you.
on?
I can hear you now. I can hear you now.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tobias Marquell Glaster.
Marquellis Glass.
Marquell, sorry. Marquellus Glaster, case number SP 134-54791, SP 135-86121, SP 134-5479. Counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Glaster. State your full name, Mr. Glaster.
Who is that? That's my lawyer?
Yes.
Tobias Marquellis Glass.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And he has these tickets. Do you have valid insurance, sir, for this vehicle or for any vehicle that you're driving now, if you're driving?
Yeah, it expired. I had insurance at the time, but it expired on the 30th, and I'm going to get some as soon as I leave. I knew I had court this morning, so I couldn't do nothing at 8:30 in the morning. But yeah, my insurance, I had insurance at the time of the accident. I don't know why he gave me a ticket and said I didn't have no insurance, but you know how your people are.
But listen, man, they're not my people.
Yeah, just like my man's just said he almost died. And you said you couldn't do nothing for him. We all know what time it is, man. Not everybody, but some of us know what time it is. We can't argue with y'all. We gotta join y'all. You feel me? We can't beat y'all, so we gotta join y'all. Like I could have said, I believe I am the principal for that trust, but I ain't want to make y'all mad, man. You know, everybody not hip. So I'm just going on along with this because I can go get the insurance. My insurance elapsed October 30th. It expired October 30th. I don't know why he wanted to do that. I guess he got mad because I had tinted windows and I had proof of my vision, and he got mad and gave me all those tickets. That's why I'm looking like, what is all that? It don't make no sense.
Okay,
You can look at my driver's.
So
license, Your Honor.
So when you say y'all, who are you referring to?
I'm talking about the court system, not you personally, man. That's your job, man. Come on, man. You get mad. I'm not saying like
I'm not your man.
Well, Your Honor.
So the court system, y'all, I'm a part of the court system. I have nothing to do with you getting a ticket out there. I have nothing to do with you and that officer. I treat all of the people that come in here, I give them all the same deference until they prove to me that they don't deserve it. So don't include me in on your issues.
You're right, but it's just certain stuff I know ain't right, man. And I just be like, why? Like, come on, man. That just ain't. We don't even need insurance or driver's license. All you need is a passport. It's not even no crime not to have no license, no insurance, no registration, none of that.
I'm gonna set a trial date for this. I don't know what he's talking about, and I kind of get the idea of what he's talking about. But I was gonna give you the opportunity to bring the insurance in, sir. but you're going off on something totally different that I certainly don't believe in that. But December the 19th, 2022 is a trial date. You can bring insurance in if you can prove your case. If you can prove the fact that you don't need insurance, then you can do whatever you can bring whatever you want to bring on that day. All right. December 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
You too. As you said.
All right. What did you say? Oh, I don't care what he said. Let's go ahead with
Mr. Logan is only Officer Amraj here. He has no recollection.
All right.
But he is also eligible to get driver's license. So he really does.
Loman?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Terrence. Is that Wendell Loman?
Yes, sir.
Case number 18-395-9031, 18-410-5561, 18-450-4611, 19-462-8501, 204-32616, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 11871791. I'll strike that last one. That's not Mr. Loman. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Loman. State your full name, Mr. Loman.
Terrence Wendell Loman.
Okay, today is date and time set for a trial on the matter. Officer Amon Ra, you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Amir Amin Ra, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Let's go with, I'm told that you have no recollection, is that correct?
That's correct.
All right, I see that Mr. Loman is potentially eligible for a driver's license, so I'm gonna let him know that now. Do you want to make a motion, Counselor?
Your Honor, the remaining officers not being present, respectfully, we seek dismissal of these charges.
Okay, I'm gonna first for Officer Amon Ra, that's going to be a dismissal, no recollection. I'll mark the file as a tier. That's 204-32616, counts 1 and counts 2. Officer, if you don't have anything further, you're free to leave and just be safe out there.
All right, you all take care.
Okay. Now 18-395-903, count 1. That's set for trial. I don't have Officer Reuter. Officer Reuter is not here. 18-410-5561. Officer Bush. I have not seen that officer join the breakout room. And 18-450-4611. Officer Hibner. Not seen that officer join. 19-462-8501. Officer Benard. Have not seen that officer join. Let me see what these other cases look like, Counselor. We'll call into the record, City of Detroit versus Terrence Wendell Loman, case 207. That case, hold on, let me see what date that's scheduled for trial. That seems like it might be on another day. That case is scheduled for trial 207-106-471 is scheduled for trial on the 8th of, so you have to come back next Tuesday, sir, on the 8th for that ticket. May I make a motion on those no officer tickets, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal, there being no complaining witnesses.
Okay, I'm going to grant Counselor's motion on those cases, no recollection. I don't know what happened to this 207-106-471, why that wasn't scheduled on the same date, but it wasn't. You have to come back on Tuesday, sir, November the 8th, to get that case adjudicated, all right? I apologize for any inconvenience. Mr. Loman?
Yes, sir.
Did you hear all of that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so those cases, all the cases today are dismissed, and then you got to come back on Tuesday, but I'm told you can get a valid driver's license. You might want to go to the Secretary of State now.
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on Tuesday and close the rest of that stuff out, all right?
What time, sir?
At 9 a.m.
Appreciate it.
All right, have a great day. Is
I got
Jericho,
blessing.
you as well. Is Jericho O'Quinn here? O'Quinn. All right, let's do Lopez. Let's see what Lopez is. You're free to leave, Mr. Loman.
Well, have a blessed one. Thank you, Jan.
You too. This is the City of Detroit versus Aiden Lopez Jr., case number V50141022. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S.
Yes,
Berry
sir.
Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lopez. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Adan Lopez
All
Jr.
right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Let me grab this file here. One moment. You have Lopez's file. All right, I have ticket here, selling used tires without a valid driver's license, Counselor. I don't know what Mr. Goss wants to do with this ticket. Mr. Goss, are you here? Mr. Goss. All right, let's pass the matter, and I'm gonna check in. I have two people, let me start out, Levante's iPhone. I know, Mr.
Yes,
What's your first name, sir?
Levante Little.
Yeah, Little. So I don't see you on the docket, but I guess you're here because you're supposed to pay something.
I had like a trial day started November 4th. They told me.
Your Honor, you said 9 a.m.
What is it?
He's on the docket at 9 a.m.
So we have, okay, that's Miss, yes, that's, we have the trooper here and we have, is there more than one file? Yes.
Your Honor, that is the one I was, the ticket for operating a illegal marijuana dispensary. And I was wondering I could have a sidebar with you and Attorney Barry. A very, if I could have a very brief.
Me in there as
sidebar.
well? You want me in this, okay, I'll put us in a breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He has a ticket.
Look at these.
All right, let's go, Mr. Little, we're trying to get you, it was supposed to be did a lawyer ever call you?
No.
All right, we're gonna try to get you a offer on that. Trooper, can you go back in the breakout room and speak to the state attorney? We're trying to get this, so we can get you out of here. And Mr. Lopez, do you have a license?
License expired.
Now he's not talking.
I'm sorry, it's just the whole muting up thing has got me thrown off.
Yeah, you're muted off now, but every the 5 or 6 times you interrupted me.
I'm sorry.
So do you have a business license?
I don't.
Okay, that's it. That's it. All right, I'm gonna let you speak to the lawyer. Let the lawyer know, is there an offer? What are you gonna do?
I give him time to get a business license.
Are you trying to work on getting a business license?
Yes, I did. I've submitted an application months ago, but it's every time I go on the online thing, submit.
Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Aiden Lopez Jr. Mr. Goss is going to give your client an opportunity to secure a business license. I'll set another pre-trial for January 5th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right. Unless you have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave.
Was that for me?
Yes.
Okay, January 5th at 8:30 a.m.
Yes. And who is Counselor Gisele?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I'm actually not on the docket today, but I am appearing on behalf of my dad. He had a failure to appear back in 2020 for a business license. He's had his business.
Your brother, how's your brother doing?
Unfortunately, he passed, Your Honor.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Sorry, I don't want to get emotional.
That's okay. Oh my goodness.
He passed away this March.
This when?
This March. It's been a rough couple months. He was doing so good too. He told me, he's like, I want to go to Judge Perkins' office, his chambers, and tell him I'm doing so good, because he was hard on me and just, he lost the battle.
I am so sorry to hear that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say.
He tried. Just once, I don't know. I just pray for whoever it is, they never ever touch addiction, because it's the devil in disguise, and it's really hard to overcome something like that.
It is, and this is the reason why I tried to do everything I could to.
No, and I appreciate everything you did, Your Honor. And he snapped back into gear. He was doing so good. That's why his death really caught us by surprise. He was showing up to court every single time. He was like going to 3-4 meetings a day. He was really hitting it hard, and just he gave up, I guess.
He didn't give up. I don't think that's a very good way to put it. I think that you said it right. It is the devil in disguise, and no matter how hard, sometimes I think maybe that's one of the most difficult things in my mind to overcome. And when I see it, that's why I ask everyone before they come into the court. I mean, when I see something like that, do they need the treatment? Because I know it's not something you want to brag about that you're doing and using and things like that. So a lot of people will deny just because of that. Other people think that they have it under control and it's not that much of a problem to them. But I just, my heart goes out to you and your family.
Thank you.
And I'll be praying for you guys.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Your Honor. And I appreciate all your help and putting him to gear. I wish we would have just done it a little bit earlier, but you can't really tell when things like that happen.
No, you can't. You can't. So, all right, let me have that. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit.
Yeah.
Bizarre.
Yep, I had.
Case number B104888719. Appearance for the record, please. It's not on the
Yes.
docket.
Yes, Julia Gazuli appearing on behalf of defendant Laser Gazuli, who is sitting right next to me, Your Honor.
All right, and sir, my heart goes out to you. You're the father, and we had a long discussion. I applaud your daughter, and she's a very good lawyer. So I just wish that things would have turned out. I guess I'm speaking to the choir now because I know you guys wish it would have turned out differently, but I guess unfortunately life does that to us sometimes. So my heart goes out to you, and I'll be continually praying for you and your family. Today we'll set the date and time for arraignment on the bench warrant. Okay, Counselor.
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. This is dating back to 2020. We moved in 2019, so he was supposed to appear. The notice of appear went to our old address in Sterling Heights.
Let's just move on to arraignment and
Okay.
and then we'll go ahead for arraignment purposes.
Okay. For arraignment purposes, my client will be pleading not guilty today or not responsible.
I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. Now, I can either set a trial date in the matter, or I can allow you to speak with the city attorney. Let's ask this: is there a license that your dad can present now?
Yes, I actually have his most recent license that expires on 4/30/2023, Your Honor.
All right. So, and that's going to cover this bulk food meat establishment business, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. With that being the case, I'm going to, as an officer of the court, I'm going to accept your representation that you have a valid business license there, and I'm going to dismiss the case. All right.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you so.
All right. Again, if I had known that was you in the room for such a long time, I wish you would next time speak up. I did see that you sent me the note, and that's what triggered me, because a lot of times I'm so busy I don't see what's in the chat.
Yeah, I just didn't want to be disrespectful because you had a bunch of cases and I didn't have a hearing today, so I didn't know whether or not you wanted to go through certain cases. But I was actually telling my dad, I'm like, I don't know if he'll remember me, but it's crazy that you mentioned my brother. I know that he wanted to make us proud, but he's like, I want to show Judge Perkins. He's like, I want to go there and I want to tell him how good I'm doing. I'm like, finish your drug court and then go and show him. I'm sure he would love to hear your success story, but unfortunately it went the other way around.
That's just gonna be a bad weekend for me now.
I'm sorry, Judge.
No, it's life, but if it's that bad for me, I can just only imagine how bad it is for you guys.
We've been trying to hold strong. Not much we can do. We just gotta keep him in our prayers and just hopefully it doesn't affect anyone we love anymore, because that was a horrible experience in itself. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy.
I know. Okay, case is going to be dismissed, Counselor. Next time, make sure you let me know. APA Cole doesn't have a problem interrupting me, so I have this mess with APA Cole.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Good to meet you. Good to meet you, sir. You have a very good day.
Good to meet you too. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you.
Your
God
Honor,
bless you.
Your
Oh,
Honor,
I need a P number, ma'am.
yes, it's P84553.
And also, can I get the spelling of the first name for this case?
Yes, it's Lazer. That's the defendant's first name.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You guys have a wonderful weekend now.
All right, you as well.
Your Honor, courtroom 332 is saying I must get there right away.
All right. Well, what do we chop liver or something? I don't know. All right.
And I promise I'll be right back.
I know you will. All right. Let's go with, man, I hate to hear that. All right, we take care of Mr. What about Cakish? Cakish, who are you here on Green? Let's get Green going. I don't have an offer for Green.
Oh, Officer Cash is here.
Yes, Green, I think that, did she have any state charges?
Yeah, she has driving license suspended and no insurance.
Is that state?
I believe so. It's a 2017 case.
How are you guys wanting to proceed on that?
I just wondered if she had her license presently or no.
Ms. Green, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Run her driver's license, please.
But if Officer Kashkish is okay with it, I'd be willing to dismiss it at this time.
All right, officer.
He's right here.
All right, let's call the case in the record. This is the city of
Thank you, Judge.
Sharda Renee Green. You're free to leave APA code if you need to. Case number is 17-350-903, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 478207, counts 1 and counts 3. 11524456 and C15062331. Appearance for the record, please.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Green. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Sharday Renee Green.
And Paul will call on behalf of the people. There is also a count 2, no insurance.
All right, we'll add count 2 to that case, and we'll call that state of Michigan versus Sharda Renee Green as well. All right. All right, I have a valid driver's license, so congratulations on that, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call Officer Kekis. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yep, good morning, Officer Kakish, Detroit Police Department 6th Precinct.
Very well. All right, what do you guys want to do? What do you want to do with these tickets, Counselor?
Well, she has a current license. We'll dismiss both counts.
All right.
Thank you, Officer Cassius.
All right, Officer Kakish, if there's nothing further, you are free to leave and you be safe out there, okay?
Yes, Judge, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and good luck to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Officer Cassius.
Thank you. All right.
Yep.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
I got him as a peer dismissed on what's this, nolly prosecute. We'll do. All right, if there's nothing further, there's also a C15062331. There's no officer. You want to make a motion on that, Counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, we would move to dismiss, there being no complaining witness.
All right, we'll dismiss C15062333, count 1, and 17-350-903, counts 1 and counts 2. Those cases will be dismissed. The other cases that we call into the record are reviewed, and they're owed money. So those cases were already adjudicated. So it's just money sitting here that you owe the court. You know, that'll be, I'll let you and the court deal with those tickets, ma'am.
Back in January or February, I paid $800. So it was a total of 8 tickets. I
Okay,
paid, fine payment was $800. I paid all 8 tickets.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fees in these matters, and then you'll pay the reinstatement fees. So if you have some bond money, what it sounds like you're saying that you have, then you can come down to the court and settle that up with the bond money. They're probably going to take that money toward the matters that you had open. As far as that you never paid. I see 200. I see another 200. I see another 100. I see 500 here. I don't know whether the other monies went to that or not. These are 2015 cases. And what I can do for you, I see another 100 toward that probation. What I can do is on these cases, SP 478207, counts 1 and 3, and SP 8658241, and C 150623332. I'll waive late and reinstatement fees and warrant fees, if any. So that'll get you something down. Then you come down to the courthouse anytime, and you ask them to apply the bonds that you have to the fines and costs. And then you probably won't get anything back because it seems like you owe that, but you have a valid driver's license. And if there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, have a good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
Congratulations. All right, who's on the iPhone? Grigsby. Didn't we have Grigsby here already?
Grigsby here.
Yeah, weren't you here earlier or?
Yes, but you never said my case or nothing.
Oh, I didn't?
No.
We had a Grimsley. This is another person.
We had a Grimsley?
No, I thought, I didn't.
Yeah, we had a Grimsley.
We went on the record with the Grimsley?
Yes, we did have a Grimsley. Yes, we did. The first case, Austin Grimsley. Eric Grimsley. Let's get Keon.
Oh, yes, we did. We did. Okay.
Let's get Keon Jermaine Grimsley. Let's go. That's 207. 22. Oh, I printed that out too. Yeah, I printed him out a long time ago. I have this file.
You got his file? Okay.
All right, let's call these cases into the record. You say what? Yeah, everybody showed up. Almost. All right, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Keon Jermaine Grigsby, case numbers. See which one we're gonna call. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Keon Jermaine and Grigsby, case number SP 135-41851, SP 135-4183, counts 1, 2, and 3, and Z8054821 and 18451431. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Perry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Grigsby, state your full name, sir.
My name is Kenny Grigsby.
Judge, may it please this court, I didn't make Mr. Barry aware. I was retained on this matter. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Grigsby.
All right, good morning, Mr. Warbling.
Good morning to you and your staff, Judge. Good morning to Mr. Barry.
Set for arraignment on the bench, Warren. Go ahead, Mr. Warbling.
Judge, for purposes of arraignment, we'll stand mute and wait formal reading at this time.
Okay, man, not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. I'm also gonna set aside the defaults on SP 135-4183, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, how do you want to proceed?
Judge, can we have the matter set for a pretrial, Your Honor? And I could have an opportunity to speak with Mr. Goss or the city representative.
All right, pre-trial is going to be December 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks for your accommodations and to you and your wonderful staff.
All right, nothing further, Mr. Grigsby. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, and Mr. Warbling, I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much, Judge. I look forward to it. Mr. Grigsby, I'll be giving you a call.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Take care.
I don't know what Shantez Lyles has. Let's see if we can find it. Not on the docket today. So let's see what Shantez Lyles has. All right, Shantez Montrese Lyles. What about, did you call this?
Yes, I sent her email in.
Did she call back?
No, she hasn't. I sent her. Then we talked. So she said she was gonna find something.
All right, who's on the iPhone? Unmute yourself, please. All right, Officer Page. Who's on the iPhone?
Levante Little.
No, not you, Ms. Little. Lyles is scheduled for arraignment on that. Trial today on one ticket. On 28th on others. What's your name, sir?
Shantez Lyles.
No, you're supposed to be in Bryant on the one ticket. That was today. Call Bryant's courtroom and let Judge Bryant know that he's been in here all morning.
You want me to call?
Please. He has cases here, but we didn't see that he, to let her know, her court will know that. You're in the wrong courtroom this morning, sir. You were supposed to be here on October 28th, last Friday. We're gonna give you another date for those. Let's get Mr. Lyles out of here. This is the city of Detroit versus Shantez Montrese Lyles, case number SP 100-86141, SP 8985811. SP 116413, 0, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP, hold on a second. Let's mute that. All right, Mr. On the iPhone, can you mute yourself, please? All right, I got it. All right. SP 11641-321, and counts 2 and counts 3 of that same ticket. SP 1367058, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1367058, count 3, and $17. Well, let's not even call it. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Shantez Lyles.
All right, let's call the date and time set for arraignment on the, let's see what it is, on arraignment for the other cases, pre-trial for these. Let's get him arraigned on those couple of cases that he wasn't arraigned on, counsel.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
All right, I'm going to set aside the defaults in SP 1164132, counts 1, 2, and 3. What do you want to do? Just come back for a trial date, sir, or you want to see if we can get you an offer now?
I can see if we can get an offer now.
What did Judge Bryant say?
They said for him to just zoom in.
We're gonna, well, you need to zoom in over there. We'll come back. Let's just set these matters for a trial. Have you ever had a license?
No, I have not, sir.
I can give him a free trial. I'll give him a free trial, and he come back on December the 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. All right, there's nothing further, sir. You need to get in touch with Judge Bryant. That's zoom into 360-339-0000.
Okay. I'm about to try to write that down.
All right, I got your message too, sir, in the chat. 360-339-0000. We already called them and told them you've been in here all morning.
You said 369-0000?
No, 360-339-0000.
So how many zeros? Just
4
3?
zeros. Yeah, 4 zeros. So 369-339-0000. If you have some trouble, zoom back in.
Okay, so you said 369-390-000.
No, 339.
Oh, 339.
So 360-339-0000. I'm gonna put it in the chat.
Okay.
You can always go to, I'll put it in the chat. You can always go to the 36th District Court website and join straight from the website. When you go to services, go to virtual hearings and go down to the judge that you're supposed to be in the court and you could just hit join Zoom room.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, good luck to you, sir. Come back on December 19th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right, have a great day. All right, the gentleman with the iPhone that had the young baby in the background, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes,
What's your
yes,
name?
Your Honor.
What's your name,
David,
sir? Good morning to you.
good morning to you, David Livingston.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus David Troy Livingston, case number 16-237-5531. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run his driver's license, please?
Joel S. Berry Jr. State your full name, Mr. Livingston.
David Troy Livingston.
Okay, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Right, and are not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and we'll give your client a $0 bond. You have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do.
As for purposes of arraignment, I'll recall the warrant, give the $0 bond. All right, let's see. All right, you do not have a valid driver's license, sir.
Well,
It says your license is expired. So
Yeah, I have to. Well, I got my license back from 36th District. I'm waiting to take my road test so they can send me my license in the mail. I have my permit, my paper license.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You need to go back to the Secretary of State for some reason. Let me see. It appears that you need to go back to because if you had your paper license, it would read, if you have a paper license, a permit or something, you can show me that all day, but I'm telling you, if you had a paper license, or even if you had a permit to drive that you went through the Secretary of State, it would say valid. It's saying expired. So you need to go back to the Secretary of State. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to do so. You bring a valid driver's license in, sir, we'll dismiss the ticket.
Okay. Well, can I get some type of record stating that I have been to court? Because I'm trying to get obtain a job, and I need to get a clearance.
All right, we're gonna recall the warrant, so you won't have a bench warrant on there, so they won't see that bench warrant. And then let's give him a trial date as soon as possible. This is for Livingston, because this is a 2016 ticket, and I don't even have a name of an officer here. So
So it can be. So the ticket just can't be thrown out. I mean, it's 2016.
Well, I know. What is this? 2008. That's 4-6. Ask Mr. Goss. Mr. Goss, you there?
Yes, Your Honor. And no, we cannot. It's not 7 years.
It's a 2016 ticket, counselor. It has just an ROA, and the ROA does not have a ticket number on there. So he doesn't want to throw the ticket out. Let's get him a court date as soon as possible. 12/2.
But that's still gonna stop me from being able to go to work because I can't obtain a clear record stating that I've been to court. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get gainful employment.
What this is going to do, sir, this is not no finding of guilt or anything is there. What was probably preventing you from getting was that warrant on your record. I'm recalling the warrant now, so you don't have a warrant. It's merely just an allegation of a no-ops.
Okay.
You know, so I recall the warrant, so if they check there's it's just an allegation. I kind of strongly believe that this is going to be dismissed anyway. But if I'll tell you this, what I will do is you go to the Secretary of State right now, or in the next, whenever you go to the Secretary of State, you bring a valid driver's license back in here, then I'll dismiss the ticket with a valid driver's license, all right?
Okay.
So if you can get in here next week with the valid license, because it seems like all you have to do is go back and approach them, because I don't see, let me make sure I'm
because I did all that when they dismissed all my, my tickets or whatever and gave me my license back. I went to Secretary of State. That's where I got my permit from. So I have to go take my road test so they could send me my license, the card in the mail. Everything has been taken care of.
It says here that the last abstraction dates, you made a payment on April 19th of reinstatement fee. It was driver probation extension from 1993 until July 2022. And then there was another driver probation extension from 2012 through February 18th of 2023. So Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
May it please his honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people.
What does that mean?
What mean?
Know? The driver probation extensions.
I have no idea, but he still should be able to at least get a permit. What does the probation?
His driver's license says expired.
Okay, and what do the probation part? What do they have a date on that?
It has a date from July June the 2012 until February of 2023. So expired. I don't know what's going on with this, but it appears that you should be eligible to get a driver's license. Let me just go through page by page.
And that's what I thought I was doing when I went to the Secretary of State the first time, and they gave me my permit, this paper like that I have right here. Then she said everything was all set.
For some reason, when did you go there?
I went, I don't remember the exact date, Your Honor.
You should have a date on that letter, on that notice. You should.
Okay, so original issue date, 4/19/22.
4/19/2022.
Yes.
4/19/2022. Yes, that's the day he paid the reinstatement fee. And it said reinstatement fee paid. Now you're gonna have to go back to the Secretary of State and find out. They should be able to tell you exactly why your license, what's preventing you from getting licensed. Looking at your driver's license, it just all the reinstatement dates are 10/1/2021. I'm trying to see if there's a reinstatement. The only thing I see is that probation extension until February.
I've never been on probation for tickets.
Yeah, I don't know what that means. February 18, 20, but it doesn't appear that should prevent you from getting a license. You have a reinstatement date of 4/13/2022 from something way back in 1998. I don't know, Counselor.
Wow.
Mr. Goss.
Yeah, sure.
You're still holding the position that you're holding on this 2016 ticket?
Yes, Your Honor. It's our department policy.
All right. What I'll do, sir, December 2nd, 2022, 9 a.m. That's the quickest trial date I can give you. But again, go to the Secretary of State. I would suggest you get there immediately and see if you can get a valid driver's license or see what's going on. If they don't give you a valid driver's license, they should be able to tell you exactly what is holding up your license. This ticket here should not be holding up your license at all. This is a 2016 ticket. This ticket here, if they run a lien on you now, it's not gonna have a warrant out for your arrest. It's just a mere allegation.
Okay.
All right. So I'll even give you the opportunity of coming back in anytime next week with that valid driver's license, and we'll dismiss the ticket upon getting the valid driver's license. All right. Or
Yes, sir.
I'll see you back December 2nd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
I'll see you next week. I'll see you next week.
Very well. Just make sure I know you've been in here quite a while. Make sure you just zoom in, and when I'm not on the record, you can just chime in. All right.
Yes, indeed. I appreciate you.
Have a good weekend, sir. Good luck to you, and I'll see you next week, hopefully.
All right. Thank you.
All right. All right. We have Attorney Robinson. Good morning. We have the counselor. I believe you're here for Mr. Little.
Yes, Judge, I just need 20 seconds to be ready to appear. 10 seconds.
All right, let us know. I'm gonna just join the breakout room and talk to APA Cole.
All right, I'm ready, Judge.
All right. And talk to APA Cole, and then she'll line you up on what's going on with Mr. Little.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Little, give them an opportunity to speak. And now we've got an appointed counselor for you. And then we'll more than likely get you another date.
All right.
They'll offer an allowing on that one charge. Man, I hate that boy died. Yes.
He was young.
Yeah.